Hello my friends, how are you today? So I've got the tracks and the wheels on, well, one set of tracks. So that's the plastic tracks that Miniart include in the pack. They look pretty good, don't they? And they're nice and thick and fat. So they should be 40 centimeters, so 400 mil. So we can have a look over the other side here, and that's without the tracks on. You got all the suspension in there. And these are the tracks here. So you can see they're workable, fully workable. They actually work really well. And this is how they come. So it's not too bad. They are very flashy, like they're very dirty. There's a lot of plastic on them. But you can see Miniart has actually changed the design, so there's not all these different sprues. There's just one sprue now, and you've got everything you need on the one sprue. So you've got the pins actually in the middle, and you've got one set for one side and one set for the other side. That didn't worry me too much, but if you're that keen on accuracy, you can really get the right bolts in the right position and all that stuff. So you have 1, 2, 3 cut points, and what I found is with a really sharp nipper you can cut them off and get them together well without cleaning that up too much. But what you want to clean up is all this flash, especially around these open parts here, and also the tracks have got the holy guide horns. But yeah, it's really cool. So let's do a quick scale check. So let's measure, just be a rough measurement. So that's, it's just under 12 mil. So we'll say 11.7, 11, oh, too many. How do I get rid of it? 11.7 times 35 equals, hey, what happened? I'll have to get an ad-free version. Does it 35 times 11.7? That's horrible. That is just a horrible thing to do to people. We'll install this one. See what happens. The other features on this Panzer, so I'm going to fix up, you see how I've got that handle there? Of course I'm going to file up all these little holes and stuff like that and make them really cool, but I'm going to make this handle here, which is already gone now, into one of those little brass ones with 3mm wire. Alright, let's open this up, see if it works. Colour selection, we'll choose some rear colour. Okay, that sounds good. So what do we got? Oh, that is pretty bad. 11.7 times 35. It's in scale. So if we got verniers, that would give us a better measurement. I reckon it is about 11.5. But that's pretty much spot on. 400 mils is what those tracks are meant to be. So Miniart, you get the tick of scale approval. Alright guys, thank you very much. I'll keep putting these tracks together and I'll see you again soon.